We're going to run the country until such time as we can do a safe, proper, and judicious transition. So we don't want to be involved with having somebody else get in, and we have the same situation that we had for the last long period of years. So we are going to run the country until such time as we can do a safe, proper, and judicious transition.
Illuminate yourself, align with current affairs, have facts, and be reasonable. Greetings to everyone. On this video, we are going to focus and concentrate on Nicolas Maduro, the president of Venezuela, that is allegedly kidnapped by the American army through the presidency of Donald Trump. Fellow countrymen, fellow Africans, fellow people of the world, I want to say, when I come and look at that picture or the video where Nicolas Maduro is put and then tied like this, and the speech where Donald Trump come up and say, we are going to govern Venezuela, we are going to send, I pass, I bleed, because the way Nicolas Maduro is appearing is exactly like Patrice Lumumba. Patrice Lumumba was like that. He appeared like that. He was alive for that time, but over that period, he was reduced to appear like nothing. But let me tell you one thing that is happening that is exactly the same. There are people outside Venezuela that are the residents or the population or people from Venezuela that are celebrating in San Diego and other places for capturing of Nicolas Maduro. Please just go and check. The very same celebrations happened in Libya when Muammar Gaddafi lost his life through the hands of America. The very same thing happened in Iraq, when the community called the American army to pull down the statue of Saddam Hussein. How did they become? Today, the people of Libya talk publicly that if they have a chance, they could wake up Muammar Gaddafi to such an extent that they decided they rather put the son of Muammar Gaddafi, to lead Libya as a way of giving back to Muammar Gaddafi for the loss that they suffered, because there is nothing that has changed. But over above that, this is what I want fellow people, especially Africans, to see. Be careful, it is coming for you. It is test of waters. And unfortunately, Donald Trump started with Nigeria, giving false reasons and information. Whereas in actual fact, Donald Trump wants to create an army base allegedly close to the Sahel countries, which France failed to defeat, in order to take over Niger, Mali, and Burkina Faso back. There is nothing. The northern part of Nigeria is close to Niger. So the Western countries are still crying for the minerals that they sought. Please, you have to look at the bigger picture. The Venezuela thing is a test of waters. Exactly the same with South Africa. It happened to Nigeria, then it went to Venezuela. Don't be surprised, allegedly, or my opinion, my thinking, South Africa is not so far away. And the interest is nothing about who says what. The white people are unalive. It's not about that. it is the interest of Israel and America that even if there wasn't going to be any issue about Julius Malema or anything, they were going to do it anyway. They create their own reason. And the General Council, General Assembly of United Nations doesn't have control over them. And remember, Donald Trump, in the signing of the executive code, he changed the definition of the American Defense Force into the war, the Department of War, instead of the Department of Defense. He changed it to the Department of War instead of the Department of Defense. Let us hear from yourself on the comment section. What do you think is all about the capturing of Nicolas Maduro, where Donald Trump even so proudly say he can even do the same to Cuba? Do we people understand what is the sovereignty of a country? It doesn't matter a country is a dictatorship or whatever. No president has got the power to go and arrest another president from his country and go and try to do justice over the president of the other country. How so? How do you do that? If Donald Trump is doing that to Nicolas Maduro, why is he not doing the same to Benjamin Netanyahu of Israel? What do you make out of America? Is America still thinking that is the God of the world? And then are we going to see many countries making peace and laughing at what America is doing, or are we going to see America causing and creating more enemies for itself? Let us hear what you think about this on the comment section. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And press the notification button so that when there's a video, you can be able to get the notifications. Thanks for watching the video.